টাকা 10 টাকা 10 টাকা
Hi. Yes. With bread. जैम आया ही नहीं है खाने में।
बिल्डिंग टूट गया, भूकंप आ गया।
मेरा घर मत तोड़ो गाइस। वाओ, दुकानदार लाइमन।
हम छुप छुप के बना रहे हैं गाइस। ये मिक्स करके हम जैम लगा के खाएंगे।
मौसम मुंह खोलो तो। मौसम मुंह खोलो।
क्या लिखिएगा?
पेपर कोड सबमिटेड बाय सबमिटेड।
क्या क्या? यहाँ पे नाम लिखिएगा पहले।
पेपर कोड
क्या? क्या है?
BTC 6.0। Submitted by submitted to।
वही पीछे को। ओए मत हिलाओ।
उन्होंने भी सबमिट किया है।
केबल मत हिलाओ।
अभी
The best cake award goes to Monsoon Bhattarai.
And also channel, all of you subscribe to our channel
Yes.
and to promote our department.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
And she is also from botany department.
Yes,
na?
I'm also from
Very smart girl.
Sir, say
Yes,
something
yes,
about
yes.
me.
Huh?
Say
Oh,
something
you are
about
very smart and very beautiful.
फूल तोड़ने आए हैं यहाँ पे। हमें मिला नहीं, हम लोग खुद लेके आए रोड के मिडिल से वही बस आ रहा था, हम मर जाते हम लोग। हमारा बस चला जाने वाला था।
subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe to our channel. अरे क्या हुआ, क्यों वापस आ
एक
गया?
रुक गया है।
अरे
ओ ये वीडियो कर रहा है।
मैं कहाँ बैठ रही हूँ?
So, welcome to Daffodil Nursery all. Any introduction has been given here? No? Alright. So, Daffodil Nursery Old was initially started in the year 1984, by my grandfather. Then it was taken over by my father in the year 1993. And since then, we are doing this nursery business, alright. It's been more than 30 years since we have expertise in this field. And we are the largest nurseries in the entire northeastern part of India, as well as top 10 highest collection nurseries, highest variety collection nurseries in entire India. Alright, we have around 4,000 different species of plants, as you have already seen most of them. Again, we'll be taking you to another part, okay, the second half of this nursery. Alright, so here this part is basically for seedling production. This part is mostly active during this winter season, okay. So we are producing lakhs and lakhs of plants here. Every day we are selling more than 40-50,000 these small saplings, alright. So here you will see different varieties of winter seasonal plants, okay. So you have understood how they are doing these things. So all are Assamese or mixed up? Mixed. All right. So in these seedling beds, we are using 3 types of media. Okay. First one is topsoil. Second, we are using coco pit, which is very much evident in those beds. Okay. and third vermicompost, and these are used in the ratios of 40:30:30. This one is another bonsai of bougainvillea. It's around 10 to 15 years old. I'm not sure of the age. Now what we have done with cycas, not we actually, the Chinese people, they have transformed those cycas plants into bonsais. So these are bonsais of cycas, you see. Hey, Mondoda, hey, এটা দাঙি দেখুৱাচোন cycas এটা। Cycas এটা দাঙি দেখুৱা। Is one of the huge markets around the world, okay? And if we can learn the art of doing bonsai, it would be great for us. See, this is bonsai cycas. On your right, these are called ornamental cherries. Okay, looks good, not for eating. Okay. Once ripe, they become red and look very beautiful. Again, these are bonsais of different shapes.
Are those bamboo plants?
Yes, we'll come to that a bit later. Okay, while making the round. Those are Buddha bamboos. Have any one of you ever seen black bamboo?
No.
Black colored bamboo. Okay, we'll look into those as well. Okay. So this one is Ficus starlight. Same with that family. Okay. Why starlight? Because Ficus benjamina variety starlight. In the night, these leaves shines under, light. Okay.
Moonlight. Moonlight.
Not moonlight. Just light, normal light.
Okay.
Maybe moonlight also. Yeah. So these are ornamental cherries. So this one is another cycas, okay? This one is around 15 years old. We also have a baby cycas. Say hi.
Hi, dear baby cycas.
This one is female, okay?
Female.
You can check
This
the
is male.
Male or female?
Female. You can check the ovary. No, this is ovary, no?
Males.
See, if you want to click pictures of, disease, this one is anthracnose right there. So this one is Erica palm. Most of you might have heard of it and have seen, but this variety is different. It's dwarf and very new. Okay. These are attacked by this anthracnose. These are liliums.
Photos नहीं चाहिए, plants चाहिए.
Direct collection.
Yeah.
10 plants.
Very
Assignment purpose.
demand student like this. आपके लिए ले जाओ निश्चित।
आप देगा ना? एक
आपको देना पड़ेगा.
10.
10. See, in these plants also you'll find एक plant देता हो, okay? You will get sooty mold there. You can collect the leaves. No issue.
Okay, sir.
So these are again bonsais. I don't think I need to explain. So see, explaining everything is a bit difficult. So if you see something unusual, do ask me, okay? I'm also in the learning stage. This is called picoma. What? Chrysanthemum.
Cute है, बहुत cute है.
Wow.
ये सब कितना का है?
So this one currently is our largest indoor house, okay? We are making another one of around 1.5 bigas, a single greenhouse, where we'll display only the indoor plants. It was there, right, besides our house, okay? So here we'll only see the indoor plants, okay? These are cactuses. That big one is around 15 years old and costs around 16,000 rupees, okay?
16,000.
16,000 for one cactus. And those flowering are Christmas cactus.
Price?
These are less costly, 80 rupees, something like that, 70.
Small cactus.
So those will cost different. Those cactuses ranges from 200 to 50. Then you can take these as well, 80, 70, 100.
ठीक है.
So these are all succulents, okay?
an orchid, right?
Yes, this one is Phalaenopsis. These are all last stalks. So.
Oh, ये वाला देखो, ये वाला देखो. ये देखो, ये रोज. Yes, this is so unique.
One second. Okay. Meet Vinod Khura, okay? He is our head of irrigation department.
Hi.
Hello, hello. He takes most of the stress during water stress period, okay? Come.
This looks like a globe.
ये हमारा vanilla blend.
नेस्ट जैसा लग रहा है नेस्ट.
Globe जैसा नहीं लग रहा है.
So we select new branches, okay? New branches for grafting. So the leaves are removed around 7 to 8 days earlier, prior to the grafting day. So he is now removing the leaves, okay? It would মানে যোনদিনাখন পাতটো এৰাইছে সেইদিনাখন ডিটেচ কৰি নানে চ' ইয়াতে লাগি থাকিব ঠিক আছে চ' আফটাৰ এ উইক অৰ 10 days these will start falling on its own, okay, these parts. Then you will come to know that this is ready for grafting, okay, after a week or 10 days. So after that what we do, we cut it from the mother plant and then we'll select a seedling which is 7 to 8 months old. Normally that range is selected, okay, and then we graft it, okay. Now this is known as scion. Have you ever heard of the term scion? Okay, scion and rootstock, SCION. Scion and rootstock, these are two parts of a grafting technique, okay. Rootstock is the one in which we will graft this scion, okay, and this is the part from mother plant. Now what is the advantage of grafting? Can anyone say advantage of grafting? So see, suppose এডাল আম খাই মোৰ ভাল লাগিছে ঠিক আছে ইয়াৰ মই আৰু জাৰ্মিনেট কৰিব বিচাৰিছোঁ আৰু কেইডালমান আম কৰিব বিচাৰিছোঁ ঠিক আছে সিডেদি কৰিলোঁ বাট সিডেদি যোনটো প্লেন কৰিম উইল ডেট বি ট্ৰু টু টাইপ টু ইটছ মাদাৰ প্লেন মানে ফ্লেভাৰটো ছেম থাকিবনে নাথাকিবও পাৰে হয়তো থাকিবও পাৰে হয়তো ভালো হ'ব পাৰে হয়তো বেয়া হ'ব পাৰে বাট উই ডু নট ৱান্ট টু টেক ৰিস্ক অ'কে সিডলিং দি কৰিম 7 বছৰ 8 বছৰ লাগিব আধা আধি বুঢ়াই হৈ যাম ঠিক আছে So maybe taste to our according no hobo pare. So what we do to preserve the taste of this plant, to preserve the character of this plant, we use this type of asexual propagations known as grafting, cutting, layering, okay. And another added advantage of this type of propagation is that it bears fruit earlier. Normally mango plant will take around 7 to 8 years, okay, to fruit, but these grafting plants start fruiting very early, starting from 2.5 to 3 years. So another 3 years ami pai aso hoine another 3 years ami fruit to paam. So these are the advantages of grafting. And the root stock which I am talking about, so those are grown from seeds. Why is that? Do anyone of you know? So you are from Assam, okay, moi tomak jodi Bombay place kori diu, will you adjust there properly? No, right? Kismane koribo hetu belek kotha ei mukhon beka korisile so আমাৰ ইয়াৰে হেবিটৰ লগত বম্বে বা সাউথ ইণ্ডিয়াৰ হেবিটটো নিমিলে so see seedৰ পৰা যোনটো গ্ৰো কৰিম that is adapted to our climate, okay, and we want the plant to be hardy enough that it survives our surroundings, okay. So that is why we grow the rootstock from seeds, okay. So 8 to 10 months old seedlings are selected for grafting purpose. And remember one thing, the thickness of the scion and rootstock should be same, okay, it should be equal, okay. So we already cut this part. এতিয়া আমাৰ তাততো এসপ্তাহ সময় নাই ন তোমালোকক দেখাবলৈ so কি হয় ঘৰত নিজে ট্ৰাই কৰি চাবা so আমি ইয়াৰে সায়নটো ললো এতিয়া অলপ ওপেন জেগাত গৈ পেলাই আমি গ্ৰাফটিংটো কৰিম ঠিক আছে ইয়াতে গোটেইখিনি দেখা নাপাবা ঠিক আছে
এয়াৰ লেয়াৰিং লেয়াৰিং দুটা চিষ্টেমত হয় এটা মাটিত বান্ধি থৈকে পাৰে শিপা আহি যায়
কিমান দিন পিছত খুলিব লাগে
শিপা আহিলে এইটো 1 মাহ বা 25 দিনত আহি যায়
मेन कैमरा में तो यही आ गया पत्ता आ गया वर्ड मेरा भी है आईफोन केटीएम हो गया
তো 4 দিন মান হৈছে
टमाटर ऐसे पहनी और घर सॉर्ट है लाइन
কৰি থাকে ন
কোনোবা কৰি চাব নে ট্ৰাই কৰি চাব নেকি বস্তু আছে তো যদি পাৰে কৰিব
The leaves are variegated.
But apple leaf survive कैसे होगा?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
I'll tell you.
Apple tree.
Apple tree, okay? So we know generally that apple grows in Kashmir and in cold places, okay? I'm not sure about Shillong though. Anyone from Shillong?
No.
No one? Meghalaya? No one? Okay. So this one is a apple tree. She asked how is it surviving here? So there are now 3 new varieties, okay? Again, these are advancement in horticulture, okay? 3 new varieties which are for subtropical regions, okay? So our climate is subtropical, okay? So one is Anna, one is Golden Dorset, and the other one is Hariman Sharma 99, okay? Hariman Sharma is the name of the person who discovered these plants, okay? So this one is Hariman Sharma 99, okay? And this survives in our climate and bears fruit in our climate as well, okay? So in Agriculture University, they are cultivating it. Day before yesterday, along with some of my staff, nursery staff, we visited Kharupetia. You know Kharupetia? That is a place known for its cultivation, okay, vegetable cultivation. So it is also known for the fruit orchards, okay? If you want, anyone of you want to visit any orchard, you may go there, okay? So they are cultivating these plants, and as per one of the consumer, I haven't eaten these fruits personally. So as per one of the consumer, the fruit tastes very sweet. In fact, tastier than those coming from Kashmir, and the fruit, the color is also red color, okay? So you won't be able to differentiate between the Kashmir ones and which are grown in Assam, okay? So Anna is also another one very important variety of these apples, okay? So they does very well in our climate.
बहुत गर्मी है guys. हमने अभी apple tree देखा. हमने disease plants collect किया आधा बाकी है.
So these are all cycas, okay? On your left, you know tamarind,
Yes.
Teteli? Have you ever seen bonsai? Yes? Okay, these are bonsais of tamarind, okay? This one and this one, only 2 we have currently. Right? We also have a new variety of gooseberry, okay? Amlokhi, it's ready.
चलो. बहुत घूमे हम लोग. Sir, thank you so much for showing us around your nursery.
You have seen a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Do let me know and subscribe.
I want one circulant from here. Wहाँ पे. So many. तुमको जो अच्छा लगा, तुमको कौन सा
छोटू सा
ये ले लो।
ये उठाओ। इसका प्राइस कितना होगा?
I'm taking this, guys. का केयर कैसे करना है?
Don't water it directly above the plant, okay? Water it only in the soil.
Okay.
And take special care during summers because it normally tends to, decay during high humidity period.
कितना frequently करना है water?
Very less frequently, just check the soil.
सब अपना अपना प्लान दिखाओ।
So this is all about daffodil nursery, all okay. So we have seen different varieties of plants, starting from indoor plants, fruit plants, okay, different ornamental plants. So we have around 4,000 different varieties of plants, okay. And this is daffodil nursery all for you. Do visit again. Would love to host you again, okay.
Thank you. And please tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe to her channel, okay. She is doing really very hard work. I have seen her whole time. She has been around 1 to 1.5 hours for here. Do subscribe her. She is taking a lot of videos and she will take another 2 to 3 hours for editing also.
Yes.
So
Okay,
do
thank you.
subscribe.
Sir. Bye. लोग गुआवा गम खा रहे हैं गाइस। डॉली ने लिया था। थैंक यू डॉली।
मूड खराब हो गया।
बस जल्दी चलने लगा।
हमारे एक फ्रेंड
और मेरी छूट गई वहाँ पे। She's coming now.
And she's very गुस्सा।
मेरी गुस्सा।
ठीक हुआ होगा।
हम अभी नर्सरी से यहाँ पे आए हैं डैफोडिल कॉलेज में। बस ने इसको छोड़ दिया था।
Guys, I was very emotional.
हम ये खरीद रहे थे, वो ऑफिस गई थी डैफोडिल ऑफिस, फिर बस ने इसको छोड़ दिया था।
Then I cried and I came.
So fake. Super fake. Hi ma'am.
हाय
Hi sir.
Hi.
सब्सक्राइब टू हर चैनल के भी आ जाइए।
Bye bye.
Wanna go see,